Do you struggle with dirty data? Would you rather spend your valuable time on the more important parts of your job? Then keep watching. We've got exactly what you need. You go out to your car and it won't start. Your mechanic fixes it, and now it works. But it's not a better car than it was before. All he's done is take it from unusable to usable. And it cost you a lot of money. But you value his services, because without him, you can't get to work and do your job. On the other hand, nobody values data cleaning. You have a dataset that has errors, it is unusable, just like the car. And cleaning those errors will take your dataset from unusable to usable. Yet nobody wants to pay for someone to clean their data. But data cleaning is valuable, because dirty data can't be analyzed. And if you can't analyze it, you can't change the world. The best way to deal with dirty data is to clean it as quickly as you can, so you can move on to more important stuff. But how do you do that? How do you clean errors in your numerical data? How do you correct spelling mistakes and inconsistencies in your text data? If you're identifying errors by eye and correcting them manually, you're in a world of pain. It'll probably take you 2 weeks just to clean the dataset, even before starting on the analyses. But there's a solution. With a few simple rules and techniques, you can have your entire dataset clean and ready for analysis in less than an hour. Then you can get your analyses done quickly and get back to doing all the things in your job that you're really good at and that you love doing. If data cleaning takes you more than a couple of hours, we have a unique video course that will teach you these techniques. And this course is called Data Cleaning. It took 6 years to perfect these techniques, with the help of hundreds of researchers. But in data cleaning, you will perfect these techniques in just a couple of hours. In data cleaning, you'll learn how to clean all your data automatically, getting them clean and fit for purpose at lightning speed. Data cleaning is waiting for you right now to help you automate your data cleaning in Excel or in Python. And the lessons you learn will stay with you for a lifetime. So put your data cleaning into top gear. Get your analyses done early. Astound your colleagues and delight your boss. Put yourself on the fast track to that next promotion. Do you struggle with dirty data? Would you rather spend your valuable time on the more important parts of your job? Then data cleaning is the right course for you.